how to get unbanned from TikTok Live. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Then, scroll down to the Support and About section and tap on Report a Problem. Now, go over here. From here, select Hosting Live. Then, tap on this Suspended option. If your problem is still not resolved, then tap on No as shown. Then, tap on Need More Help. Here, you can send a message to TikTok support regarding the issue you are facing. Go to the text bar and type in your problem. For example, ask for help on how to get unbanned from TikTok Live. Then, tap on the Send button and wait for their response. Following these steps, you can get unbanned from TikTok Live.